told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt.
Hi guys, how you all doing? I hope you guys are good. I know it's been a while since I last posted and I apologize, but I'll give you guys all the gist later. But first, I just want to say a very big thank you to those of you who reached out. Seriously, those emails meant the world to me, okay? And to everyone who has been watching my videos, leaving comments and dropping likes even when I was not posting here, you guys are the best. I'm super excited to share this with you all as I document my relocation video series. I hope you all would join me for the ride. I tried to make some clips here and there, so enjoy the video. And to my old and new subscribers, welcome back and cheers.
Right now, I want to pick up something, then I will head back home, and so I'll see you guys later. Peace and bye. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if I've said that, but this is a continuation of my relocation vlog. Today I'm going for my TB test, that's tuberculosis test. I'm going to IOM Abuja for the test, and I'll also go for my what's it called now, my police clearance today as well. Basically I just did everything online and I was scheduled for today, so my appointment is by 10:30, so I need to be there at least 30 minutes before the time. The next thing I'm going to do right now, I want to wear my wig and try and pack it up because there's no need of leaving it down. Then I will head out. Hopefully I'll show you guys some of the things I get up to, maybe the place, some of the activities and stuff like that. So when you're going for your test, you know the things to expect, and yeah, just basically a few things. If I'm able to vlog, I'll just do that. But this is me saying welcome to my relocation vlog. Okay, what else? I ate this morning, so I think you can eat before going for the tuberculosis test. And yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys when I'm on my way to the center for the test. Then I'll also go to, I don't know when I'll finish. Whenever I finish, I'll just go to this thing, the police station or their headquarters for my police character clearance or something like that. Yeah, just go for my police certificate. I'll see you guys later and we'll talk.
Said I made up my mind this time. I'm taking it over.
Mr. Tony, you also want to make inquiries?
I'm here for my test, but it's by 10:30.
Which country? What is your name?
Okay.
Your surname is?
Okay, I don't know that that's my name. Okay.
Modest tranquility.
Yeah, that's my date later.
Have you made payments?
Yes.
Have you payment?
Yes, I did.
Please clear her. Have you made payment?
Yes, I will. Can you please take off the battery? You also see what you have for us there. So maybe you carry boom boom.
I don't have any boom, 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 boom. You can check now. Just basic passports and water. Sash.
So this is your tank. So please take note of it. Don't pass it.
Okay.
So that we not delay you when you are about to go your
Okay. Alright, thank you.
Said I made up my mind this time. I'm taking it over.
So guys, immediately I came in, I was asked to wait a bit, and later I was called and I was given a tag. That's my number, and I was also asked to hold on for when I'll be called in. So that was it basically. I think the first thing you would do is for them to check your documentation and payment. So at this point I was waiting for them to call me, like the admin in charge to call me and verify before I was going to go and see the doctor and do my x-ray. So at this point, they were verifying my payment and every other thing, my details and all that. And I was waiting for my turn to go and do my x-ray. I was heading to the x-ray place at this
I'm here for the extra.
Just workspace. There's soup and left.
I should do at my left. Okay.
I was done at this point. It was pretty fast, very straightforward, and I was heading to the lounge to wait for the doctor to get a feedback from the x-ray I just did. So that's it.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please.
Okay. Thank you.
I was done with the doctor at this point to get the feedback from my x-ray, and we were asked to sit a bit for briefing regarding the certificate, and I went to join others.
The things I need you to look out for when you get your certificate is the first thing there is the IOM stamp. Printed here. Okay. Second thing is the IOM seal. The passport. Okay. The third thing is the hologram. It's going to be a signed badge. Then the last thing is the doctor's signature. Okay. And then please don't call me, kindly come with your international passports, okay, and your proof of payments, okay. The president is applicant's signature, okay. Your proof of payment.
So guys, I got the, yes, I'm done. I got the certificate. I think this is the last stage, and when you're done with this one, you're good to go. When I get back, I'll show you guys. I'm waiting for my cab. I want to go to Gariki for my police character certificate. So I'll see you guys later. So guys, I'm done with the TB test. My next police command for the police character certificate.
First, I was directed to this office before I was asked to go and fill in my details somewhere
They are paying
else.
you there per hour. There are some places they pay weekly. You understand? Nobody say your salary.
I also had a little chit chat with one of the officer as I was waiting for the person that would take me to where I'll fill in my details and do all the process and get my certificate uploaded. So we were heading to the main office at this point to get everything sorted.
So guys, I'm done from the FCT police command. So they said they will upload the certificate within 24 hours. So right now I'm heading home. I'll wait for them. When they get it, then I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'll try and do an overlay if I can. I'll show you guys what the certificate looks like. It's been a stressful day, I know. I look so tired, but it's all good. Yes, CBN, right?
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, it's true. So I'll talk to you guys later. Before you enter the gate,
Yeah, I said the staff. With confirm ID card I will put on this thing like this to sign it
before you can go in, yes. The security is really
Yeah, you know go and pack our money.
strict.
Since Abuja. This country, Nigeria is supposed to be the best country in the whole world. But this Nigeria is supposed to be tourism, where white people supposed to be coming. Because many things where white people they are using now today, now from this place they carry.
Of course.
So the Uber driver I used was giving me a lot of gist about Nigeria. I had no option than to listen.
Hi guys, so this is what it looks like. This is the envelope. So the last stage after seeing the doctor, they will ask you to hold on for a while before they call you in to go for the X-ray. After the X-ray, then you hold on for your results. Or you go back to the doctor. The doctor will now tell you, oh, we saw something, we didn't see, all those kind of stuff before they will give you the certificate. If they discovered any type of heart whatsoever or any issue, they won't give you the certificate, okay? So maybe they'll ask you to go for further tests and stuff like that. But if everything is true and you're okay, they will give you the certificate. So they have an instruction written here, and they say, please do not fold, please do not laminate. For Nigerians, we love to laminate everything, all of our documents. The instruction, do not laminate. Please do not tamper with the hologram. Submit with other documents to the embassy. Remember to take the certificate with you when traveling. So these are the instructions. They said important notice, the things that you should look out for. I'm really tired. I've removed my wig. Let me know the one that is in me. So let me show you guys what the certificate looks like. This is the certificate. This is what it looks like. Yeah, probably cover my personal details, but this is what the certificate looks like. And yeah, that's it. And it's clean at the back. They also gave me this as well. Yes, I think this is some of the things you need to read up, and like kind of newsletter or something like that. So this is what they also gave me, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I don't know how this vlog will go, but we'll keep documenting till the day we travel. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Take care. Bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to